In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Now select All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Now it's time to select Google Password Manager and click on Accounts at the bottom left corner. Then select Add Password, and if you can't see this option, that means that you never added a password before. You need at least one to add them manually, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log in to any website or any app that requires an account and hit Save in Manager pop-up. This way your password will appear here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, select Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or tap on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!